First, we need to assemble. Excavator. Amazing! Filling. Excavator. Press the pump. You're doing really great. Let's prepare the banks of the stream. Now we need to wash it clean. Excavator. You're doing really great. We need to assemble. Lift crane. Done! Now we need to fill it. Lift crane. Pump. You're doing really great. Let's prepare the bridge supports. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discoloration. Keep up the good work. We did it! We need to assemble. Cherry picker truck. Ready. Filling. Cherry picker truck. Press the pump. Keep up the good work. Let's place the frame. We need to wash. Cherry picker truck. Hooray! First, we need to assemble. Mini loader. Keep it up. Now we need to fill it. Mini loader. Press the pump. Ready. Now let's paint the frame. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. Don't stop. Hooray! We have to assemble covered truck. Hooray! Now we need to fill it. Covered truck. Press the pump. Done. Let's finish the bridge and place the railing. We need to wash. Covered truck. You're doing really great. First, we need to assemble. Pickup truck. Amazing! First, we have to fill it. Pickup truck. Press the pump. Keep it up. Let's polish and saturate the boards. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discoloration. We did it! Hooray! We need to assemble. Drop side truck. Done! Filling. Drop side truck. Pump. Don't stop. Let's make a road to the bridge. The bridge is ready. Now getting to the other side is easy.